Litograf focuses more on the complex labels. We do multi-layer labels, like for supplements, where we can do up to 7 pages, fully digital. We don't need cliches. We can combine a lot of designs with a lot of labels, so that's something that is appreciated by the big brands that need to deliver labels throughout the world. And the other segment is wine and spirits, where the embellishment is very appreciated. We were one of the first companies that invested into digital embellishment, and we have won several awards for that. At first, we've been printing just with a smaller toner machine, and we needed to go bigger and better and have wider possibilities. And the best choice that we had on the market was Xeikon. That's why we invested into the CX300, and since then we've been able to do perfect things with it. And we thought that the wine and spirits and also the supplement side can be delivered just with toner. But we quickly found out that also the inkjet that they supply, it's really something that can move us forward. The toner was in about 2020, and 2 years forward we invested also into the inkjet machine, the PX3300, and we quickly found out that the white that they supply is great, and the combinations of those two technologies really opened some markets that we thought are only for the conventional presses, and now the coherence between the toner and inkjet is one of the best things that we have in our company. In April 2024, we installed the new machine on the market, PX3300HD. It is a 1200 dpi, 70 meters a minute machine from Xeikon that has 5 colors. Now we can really complement also the high definition of the toner, and it's easier to shift some jobs that were not easy to do on the 600 dpi machine. We invested into this machine mainly because we needed a higher resolution and we needed to expand our inkjet portfolio. After using this machine for a few months, I can really tell that it has a lot of benefits. The first one is the speed. We can now print 70 meters a minute, also with white, would boosted our multi-layer production. The nozzle compensation is also amazing. Now this means that the uptime is much higher. The operator doesn't have to interfere a lot, so we really appreciate this feature. Big advantage of the new machine is that it is LED. This means that the lifetime of the lamp is much higher, you don't have any cool down, it warms up immediately, and the electrical consumption is really lower. We really like how Xeikon is treating their customers and how they treat us. They always listen what we have to say, and as our motto is innovation in printing, we are always trying to bring something new to the market, and with Xeikon toner and Xeikon inkjet we can really do that.